In this lecture, we are going to start exercise 4, which is given in our textbook, page number 50. Student, instruction is to which account the following transaction will be debited and credited in the books of Nilima. Nilima is the owner of business. Describe with reason. Okay, your answer should be based in columnar form. First column serial number, second column transaction. But in examination, you are not required to maintain column of transactions. You have to maintain debit effect and credit effect. Debit effect include three subcolumns according to types of account. Rule of personal account is debit the receiver. So this column is kept for personal account, benefit receiver person. Second rule of real account, second type of account is real, and real account include goods and assets. Assets and goods comes in debit effect. And third column kept for nominal account. In case of expense and loss is debited. In credit effect, according to rule of accounts, credit the giver. So benefit person is giver. This is column of personal account. Goods oblique asset goes out. So this is column of real account. And in case of income or gain, income and gain included in nominal account. Credit, income and gain. So let us start one by one transaction. First transaction, rupees 50,000 brought in cash and started business. Student, here owner brought cash into the business. Owner brought cash into the business. So cash comes in, and cash is a real account. Debit what comes in. So debited to cash account. Debited to cash account because cash comes in. And what will be credit effect? So what is sources of cash? So here owner brought cash into business. When owner is giver, credited to capital account, right? And owner is a person, so credited to capital account effect in personal account column. Credited to personal account, so credited to capital account. Understand? Okay. A loan of rupees 10,000 taken from Jaslyn. When loan is obtained from someone, then loan is always received in cash. So cash comes in. Effect on cash account. Effect on cash account. So cash is a real account. So first effect, debited to cash account because cash comes in. Debited to cash account. And second effect, sources of cash. This cash obtained from Jaslyn as a loan. So here Jaslyn is giver, Jaslyn is a person, so credited to Jaslyn account. No, credited to Jaslyn loan account. Remember that, credited to Jaslyn apostrophe s loan account. Understand? So this is double effect. Number 3, bank account opened by depositing 30,000. Students, here bank is receiver and bank is a person. Person means first column, debited to bank account. Debited to bank account. Understand? And what will be credit effect? Very simple. We deposited 30,000 and this 30,000 deposited in the form of cash. So cash goes out, and cash is a real account. Cash is a real account. So second effect, credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Understand? Number 4, a computer purchased for rupees 88,000. Student, computer is an asset and it is real account. Computer comes in. Debit what comes in. So in the second column, debited to computer account. Debited to computer account. And what will be second effect? So here cash goes out. Cash goes out because purchased by cash. Cash is a real account, so effect in second column, credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Okay. Number 5, stationery purchase rupees 1,000. Students, stationery is a consumable article. So in accounting, stationery treated as an expense. So expense means nominal account, debit stationery account. So first effect, debited to stationery account, debited to stationery expense account, stationery expense account, consumable goods. And what will be second effect? So when stationery purchase, amount paid by cash, so cash goes out, credit what goes out, so cash is a real account, credited to cash account, credited to cash account. Understand? So this is second effect. Number 6, purchase made rupees 20,000. Student, here purchase means which thing purchase? So in accounting, remember that purchase means purchase of goods. Goods come in, and goods come in, goods is a real account, so debited to purchase account, debited to purchase account. And what will be second effect? So here cash goes out, student, purchase by cash, cash is a real account, so credited to cash account, credited to cash account. 7 number, purchase is made of rupees 30,000 from Raman. Student, here goods purchase, so goods come in, same, debited to purchase account, debited to purchase account. And what will be second effect? So here name of person is given Raman, Raman is giver, Raman is giver, so effect on personal account, credit the giver, so credited to Raman account, credited to Raman account. Student, here cash account not affected because cash is not exchange, credit transaction. Goods of rupees 15,000 sold on cash for rupees 28,000. Student, here goods sold for cash, so cash comes in, cash is a real account, debited to cash account, debited to cash account. And what will be second effect? So here goods sold, so goods go out, and goods is a real account, so in credit effect, real account affected, sales, credited to sales account. Are you understand? Debited to cash account and credited to sales account. To be continue. Number 9. Okay, number 9, goods of rupees 8,000 sold to Nila. Student, here goods sold to Nila on credit, so Nila is a person, personal account affected, Nila is receiver, so effect on Nila account, Nila is a person, so effect in personal column, debited to Nila account, debited to Nila account, right? And what will be second effect? So here goods go out, goods is a real account, so credited to, not goods account, credited to sales account because goods go out by sales. Goods return to Raman of rupees 2,000. Do you remember previously we have goods purchased from Raman, now we are return goods to Raman, so here Raman is receiver, receiver means person, so debit the Raman account, debit to person account, debited to Raman account, debited to Raman account. And what will be second effect? So here goods go out, goods is a real account, so credited to, not goods account, goods go out by what reason? Purchase return, goods go out by purchase return, so credited to purchase return account, credited to purchase return account. Understand? Number 11, goods returned by Nila of rupees 1,500. In 9 number we have sold goods to Nila, now Nila return goods to us, goods come in, when goods come in, effect on real account, debited to goods account, no goods account, debited to sales return account, debited to sales return account because goods come in by sales return. And who is giver? Nila is a person, Nila is giver, and personal account affected, credited to Nila account, credited to Nila account. Understand? Okay. 12 number, paid rupees 500 for carriage. Carriage means transport charges, it is an expense and debit expenses, so expenses is a nominal account, so first effect debited to carriage account, debited to carriage account. And what will be second effect, student? So here paid word indicate that paid by cash, So cash goes out, cash is a real account, credited to cash account, credited to cash account. Understand? Number 13, goods of rupees 200 destroyed by fire. Student, it is special transaction. Fire not occurred regularly, it is abnormal transaction. So what will be double effect of this transaction? Due to fire occur in the business, there is a loss. Loss means nominal account. And which account affected? Loss by fire account affected. So first effect, debited to loss by fire account, debited to loss by fire account. And what will be second effect? So here goods go out, and here goods go out effect on purchase account, because goods go out by other way, and goods is a real account, so credited to purchase account. Student, when goods go out by other way, it is always credited to purchase account, because our purchase is going to be reduced. Commission received rupees 5,000. Very simple, commission is an income and it is received in cash. So first effect, debit effect, cash comes in. Cash is a real account, debited to cash account, debited to cash account. And what will be second effect? Commission is an income. Income means nominal account, so credited to commission account, credited to commission account. Understand? Okay. Now number 15, last, rupees 2,000 paid for salary. Student, salary is an expense. Expense means nominal account, and as per rule of nominal account, debit expenses. So debited to salary account, debited to salary account. And what will be second effect? Paid. Student, paid would indicate that paid by cash. Cash goes out, so credited to cash account, and cash is a real account, credited to cash account. Cash is a real account. Okay, thank you very much.